The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the government is aiming to take all its schemes to saturation through the VIKaSIT Bharat SANKALP YATRA. Interacting with beneficiaries of the VIKaSIT Bharat SANKALP YATRA through video conferencing today, Modi said the government itself is reaching out to the last person in the society and connecting him with its schemes. He said in the last 9 years, the lives of crores of people have become easier due to the public welfare schemes of the central government. He said the biggest objective of VIKaSIT Bharat SANKALP YATRA is that no one is left out of the benefits of any government scheme. Thousands of beneficiaries of VIKaSIT Bharat SANKALP YATRA from across the country joined the event.
सभी देशवासियों को आदरपूर्वक मेरा नमस्कार। 2-3 दिन पहले ही विकसित भारत संकल्प यात्रा ने अपने 50 दिन पूरे किए हैं। इतने कम समय में इस यात्रा से 11 करोड़ लोगों का जुड़ना ये अपने आप में अभूतपूर्व है। समाज में अंतिम पायदान पर खड़े व्यक्ति तक सरकार खुद पहुंच रही है।